In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go from raw Excel files like you see here into beautiful, insightful dashboards that you can take action on. When you come into Slingshot in the My Analytics tab, there's Getting Started down here where you can see a bunch of our different samples that we offer out of the box. So let's go through creating your own. If I come up to my dashboards where I create my personal dashboards, I'll go to Plus Dashboard. We have different data sources here that you can connect to. But for this, let's use the Excel file that I was showing. And we'll select the marketing sheet. And now I'm in the data visualization editor. So if I want to create a line chart looking at my conversions over time, instead of looking at that in the table that I was in Excel, I'm going to create a line chart, pull over month, pull over conversions, and now change this to conversions in my title. I'll hit the check up here, and just like that, in a matter of clicks, I have my first visualization. To add another one, I could come up to Plus Visualization and add data from a totally different data source. Or we could take a shortcut and use the same data source and duplicate this visualization, go into Edit, create a stacked column if I want to see conversions by, let's say, territory. I'll change the title, hit the check, and just like that, I have two of my first visualizations for my dashboard. I can now move these around, change the size, pull this up, change this size over here, and now I can add a filter for my dashboard. I'll add a date filter, I'll do connect, and I want to see the last 12 months. I'll hit create. And now I'm able to really see my data in a much more impactful way than I was just looking at within that Excel file. I can see these side by side if I make them the right size. I'll pull this down. And then once I'm happy with my dashboard, I can continue to add additional insights like you saw in the sample. But I'll just call this conversions. And then I'll hit the check. I'm going to save this to my personal area. And now when I close this, you can see my new dashboard here. Now I'm free to move this into a workspace or project where I might be working with different people. Or I can share this directly with specific Slingshot users with the Shared With button.